how videos. You can go to canva.com to sign up for a free account. You can actually create decent looking designs with as a free member. But if you want access to more features and more themes and so on, then you might want to consider to upgrade. But anyway, the first thing we do, any different pre-made layouts to choose from. And you can also search for what you want to have on your template here and hit enter, and you can add other templates, vlog, gaming, money and so on. But let's say it's pro, you like this, then you can use it. But if you use this one with a free account, you will have a watermark across your thumbnail. So try to find a thumbnail theme that are upgraded. You can delete the background of an image if you want to add an image of yourself, for instance, and an upgraded member. But you just mark the image you want to delete, and then you click on it, and then this trash can bin symbol will appear, and then you just click on that symbol. Click the bin symbol, image will be removed. Image I want to be adding, and remove the background off, and then I just click on it and it will appear on the theme to the right soon. Here by left clicking and drag, but now I'm going to show you how to remove the background. And here you click here, edit photo, and then it enlarge it and so on. But let's now check how you can add effects to the text. You just need to mark the text. Let's mark some text, and then you go to effects, so here you have for instance there, that's just a few examples, and you can go here to change the color of the text as well. This here, the crown, it means that it's pro. So if you have a free account, because you will have this watermark on it. But if you want to use this, then just click on it and it will be added to your thumbnail here, because it works. But you can move it by left clicking and drag it like this. Your thumbnail, make sure that you name it as the keywords you have for your video, because when you upload it to YouTube platform with video platform, that will help your video to rank. And then when you download it, you just with Canva. Now, would you like to earn up to $300 per day simply by posting ads? If so, click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.